EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for June 24th, 2020. For your Wednesday, cold front's going to continue to make its way through our region today. It's very early this morning. The cold front, will actually, for most of us, will have moved through late overnight, and we had some showers and thunderstorms in association with that. But once this cold front passes today, we're going to have not only temperatures lower than what we saw over the last couple of days, generally back into the middle 80s on either side of the middle 80s, but we're also going to have humidity lowering behind that frontal boundary, and that's going to last through for the next couple of days with temperatures generally the same each day, generally middle 80s and on either side of middle 80s, north to south, and then we'll also have lower humidity through the end of the week, and dry conditions are expected through that entire period. Let's get over to the high-resolution rapid refresh. I just wanted to show you. We did leave an isolated, actually a stray shower possibility in the forecast today, just with a few little spots showing up here. Not really too much. This is going to be in the wake of that front this afternoon. Maybe an instability shower pops up here, and that's about it. Very few and far in between, so therefore we only have a 20% chance of a shower at any given location within our region. Most areas, however, are going to stay dry. And again, through the rest of the week here, partly cloudy skies here on Thursday, lower humidity, and same thing here on Friday, except mostly sunny skies are expected. And again, temperatures are going to be generally on either side of 85 degrees. So some areas might hit 85, it might be a little bit warmer, slightly warmer further southeast, maybe slightly cooler in the low to mid 80s here further northwest, but very nice through the end of the week. Then we're going to have a warm front that's going to move through here on Saturday, unabated, no precipitation with that, and then that's going to get temperatures very hot and humid again for the weekend. Once that warm front moves through, we're approaching 90 degrees or into the 90s here both Saturday and Sunday this weekend. So another hot weekend coming up here with higher humidity, and we have a cold front that's going to be approaching here on Saturday. I don't think it quite gets to our area, though, at least not as of right now. As we get into Sunday, that maybe cold front will move through very early in the morning, and therefore an isolated thunderstorm is in the forecast here on Sunday, but I don't think it's too bad of a day here Sunday either. Just an isolated thunderstorm, pop-up storm. Not a lot of precipitation with that either. I know a lot of you have been talking about how we need the rain, and we certainly do. We really haven't had concentration of like a synoptic rain event where we just have a rainy day. We really don't get that in a La Nina pattern in the summertime. Anyway, you're looking at mainly the pattern's more conducive for just these cold front passages and whatever you get from any thunderstorms that move through. So you got to hope that you get a little bit of, at least in your area, the thunderstorms that do move through do in fact hit your area so that you get at least some rainfall out of that. But right now it doesn't look like a pattern is very conducive for anything really heavy rain going forward. And then we get back to mostly sunny skies here on Monday. Will be a little lower humidity, but heading into early next week, with an opportunity for mostly sunny skies here on Monday. Then maybe some scattered thunderstorms here with another cold front dropping down from the region later here on Tuesday. We'll cross that bridge when we get here. It's going to get a little bit further out here in the 7-day outlook to really see if this is going to mean anything at this point, or if it's even going to be there, because yesterday's outlook looked like it was going to be Monday that we'd have some thunderstorms move through. But there is going to be a cold front in the vicinity sometime early next week, and we'll have some scattered thunderstorm possibilities with that as well. So not a lot of precipitation going forward again. And I wish I had better news for you. For those of you that are complaining that your grass is turning brown, I hear you. Mine is too. But we'll just have to deal with this pattern for a little while yet. I think with La Nina summer, again, typically in a La Nina pattern, it spells hot and dry conditions generally during the summer months. So just cross your fingers and maybe you'll get one of these thunderstorms with one of these frontal boundaries moving through. But I don't really see any synoptic rainfall here that's going to give you an all-day rainy day, which is a slow, steady rainfall, which many of us could use to kind of get that vegetation back to life a little bit. But right now, that's what we're dealing with. Back and forth, a little reprieve with the humidity for the next couple of days, then hot and humid as we head into this upcoming weekend. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin. That is your outlook for June 24th, 2020. Have a great Wednesday.